I frequently get asked about doing formulas that draw numbers from other worksheets within the same workbook file. So I've got a setup here for you today. I want to bring numbers from north, south, east, and west from these other sheets onto this summary sheet. So this is a real common issue. So here are the numbers that I want to get. I want to get these totals here and bring them forward onto the summary, and then kind of come up with a full year picture for all the regions. So what you do is you click where you want to start, and this is a formula, so you always start with the equal sign, and then I just navigate myself to the place where I have the cell that I want to use, north, and then I click on the quarter one. And you can hit your enter or control enter. I usually, when I'm doing this method, I'll use the check mark. That will take me straight over to the resulting cell there. Now, I did test it out. This one will work. When you copy that across, you'll see that you are able to fill those in. My columns are a little narrow here. Let me fix that. And let me also just real quick decrease decimal for the whole thing. And then what I'll do is grab them from the south. So again, I start with the equal sign. I click the south sheet. I click the cell that I want, and I drop it in with the check mark. Then I'm filling it over. You see, I already put my sum functions at the bottom total row here, so this is going really fast now. So I'm east sheet, I get the first one, I drop it in, drag it over, and let's finish up with west. It's as easy as that. Start with an equal and then go find the cell that you want anywhere on your workbook. That's it.